Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play DDR like a pro. First, focus on your stance. Stand with your feet centered on the pad, ready to move in any direction. Keep your body relaxed and your knees slightly bent. This neutral position allows for quick transitions between arrows and helps maintain your balance, which is crucial for hitting those fast-paced patterns. A solid foundation is key to mastering advanced techniques. Next, improve your arrow reading and timing. Don't just react to individual arrows, try to see patterns and anticipate upcoming steps. Aim to hit the arrows exactly when they reach the target zone for perfect scores. Consistent practice with various song speeds will sharpen your reflexes and help you internalize the rhythm, making even complex sequences feel more natural. Now, let's talk about advanced footwork. Incorporate the heel-toe technique for quick, repeated arrow presses, especially on fast streams. Practice crossovers and turns to efficiently navigate challenging step patterns without losing rhythm. Building stamina is also vital. Aim for consistent practice sessions, perhaps 30 minutes or more, to endure longer songs and maintain your performance throughout. Finally, consistent practice and self-analysis are essential. Don't shy away from challenging songs that push your limits. This is how you grow. Consider recording your gameplay to review your performance, identify specific errors, and refine your technique. Remember, every pro started somewhere, and dedication makes all the difference. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great deals on leak-proof containers and other helpful items.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.